Hey everyone, David from the Post team from In-House Solutions. I just showed you how to program pinch turning in the last video with our IKE Lathe post. Now I'm going to show you how to fine-tune the settings to make sure you get what you need. Alright, so let's get into it. We're going to open up the post. It should be in your shared MCAM folder or wherever you have it saved. You're going to search for pinch and you're going to see some programming notes at the top. And then just search pinch a few more times, you'll see the settings that I'm talking about. There we go. So pinch trail and ink and pinch trail feed. So this is for the opposing turret trailing distance, the first one. So I'm going to have the lower turret trail it by 0.5 inches. And I'm going to set the feed on that lower turret for 75% of what the feed of the upper turret is. Now let's post it out. I'm going to compare it to the previous file where we posted it with just the default settings, just so you can see what's changed in the code. So there shouldn't be anything different on the upper turret because we just changed the trailing stream, which in this case is the lower turret, and we changed the distance at which it starts compared to the upper, and also the feed, we decreased it by 75%. So you see those Z-axis positions there, or Z-axis, yep, those have changed, and the feed has also decreased. That's all there is to it. Nice and easy.